I'm Todd Amar. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Acoustics Associates. We are a 65-year-old construction company, and we process a lot of materials come into our warehouse, and we process all of our warehouse out to our job sites all over the upper Midwest. Older company just moving into this new facility. We've built this facility from the ground up. It's all new racking, all new componentry, and we really didn't have a solution to be able to locate where all of our items are, specifically to bin locations or even our transit from incoming goods to outgoing finished goods in some cases, and actually most of the materials to be installed on our construction sites all over the place. Prior to our iM3 implementation, we did not have a warehouse management solution. So we have an ERP system that actually tracks our purchases, but it does not track our flow of materials out the door. So really where iM3 came into it is giving not only our warehouse location specifics, bins, locations, barcodes, but also our product flow all the way out from our warehouse itself to our staging areas, to our delivery trucks, to our job sites, and then communicating the status of all those steps back to our project managers so they know where all things are at all times. And prior to iM3, we did not have we had a manual paper-based system, and iM3 has helped us significantly digitize that and certainly modernize that.
I am Mark Marshall. I'm in charge of the warehouse at Acoustics Associates, and I'm also the purchasing agent. I mean, everything we ever did was paperwork. This is all electronic now. So there was, a lot of teaching the old dog new tricks, which I am the old dog. So my younger guys seem to pick it up a lot faster than I do, but I don't think I will have a problem. Like once we've seen that first ticket, the iM3 ticket that we had, that went from project manager sent to me, I assigned it, they picked it, staged it, put it on the truck, took it to the job, and then to see that end result where that ticket had all the items on it, the picture where it was at, who received it, and what time it was delivered is immense for us.
Awesome.
So it's all, everything we do now and going forward is going to be real time.
Training's been great. We have a lot of people that iM3 came on site and tried to herd the cats of a lot of people doing busy work. We happen to be in our slow season right now, which is ideal for something like a project of this scope, to be training to get everybody kind of on the same page. But from a perspective of iM3 coming in and having to track people down and gather training sessions, it's been very good, and they've adapted very nicely to our needs, which is to keep people keep people moving, keep product flowing out to job sites, and also sit in front of them to get trained properly so we can continue to refine our processes.